Hi, I'm Daniella Minichiello, and I'm a realtor with the RE/MAX Hallmark Pulse Nello Team. I joined the Pulse Nello Team in October of 2021, which is a total game changer in my real estate career. Before joining the Pulse Nello Team, I was a realtor at a well-known brokerage in the area that promised me everything under the sun. I couldn't wait to get my real estate career rolling. It didn't take long for me to realize that almost everything I was promised was not delivered to me. About 2 months into my career, I started to doubt myself and think that real estate was not the right choice for me. Then, out of the blue, an administrator on the Pulse Nello team reached out to me. I was honestly doubtful in the beginning since every team and every brokerage promises you things and doesn't deliver them. But to my surprise, every single thing I was promised was delivered to me here at the Pulse Nello team. The team atmosphere, people, and support provided checked all of my boxes, and not once did I feel any sort of pressure to join the Pulse Nello team. Changing from my last brokerage to the Pulse Nello team impacted my life tremendously. I still look back to this day and think to myself, there is no way I could have come this far in my career without the team's support. I knew the Pulse Nello team was the right fit for me after my initial meeting with Brandon and Frank. Like most agents, talking to new brokerages and teams can be overwhelming. We are hesitant to change things even if deep down we truly aren't happy with our current performance. When I was first approached by the Pulse Nello team, I truthfully had zero interest in joining. I thought I'd be in the exact same boat that I was currently in, just at a different company. To this day, joining the Pulse Nello team has been one of the best decisions I've ever made. The Pulse Nello team is not like any other team. It sounds cliche, but we are more than just a real estate team. We are family. People don't realize how much this impacts your career in such a positive way. It's important to work with people who encourage and support you, especially in a competitive career such as real estate. Not only can I always count on Brandon and Frank, but every single other agent and all the admin on the team at any given time. Our team offers a mentorship program that I can't talk more highly about. This opportunity helps new agents like me succeed and learn the ins and outs of the business from some of the most experienced people. I was fortunate enough to be partnered up with someone who really went above and beyond for me. Not only is she my role model in the real estate business, we have built such a great friendship, and I will forever cherish that. Since joining the Pulse Nello team, I have learned that taking chances and following your gut is so important. When you have an instinct to do something, do it. And make sure you put 110% of your effort into it and don't ever look back. At the end of the day, you need to do what's best for you, and the only person that can make that happen is you. Something I enjoy most about working at the Pulse Nello team is the team atmosphere. We have such a happy and healthy work environment like no other. If I could give advice to agents out there in the same boat that I was once in, I would say don't let comfortability get in the way of doing what's best for you in your career. I think a lot of agents fear disappointing their current brokerages and ruining the relationships they have built there. Think about it though. If they really cared about you, they would not only be doing whatever it takes to help you succeed, but they would support any decision you make. I can't thank the Pulse Nello team enough for everything they have done for me. It's rare to find a great group of people who genuinely care about you and your success.